Muslim English Language Institute. Vocabulary, lexical resources. Listen to the translation of the words, repeat them, and listen to the examples.
Admonish. To admonish someone is to tell them you disapprove of their behavior.
The teacher admonished Mark because he was chewing gum in class.
Audible. If something is audible, then it is able to be heard.
The sound of the drums was audible from miles away.
Awesome. If something or someone is awesome, they are impressive or frightening.
The huge military plane was an awesome sight.
Beware. To beware means to be careful of something or someone that is dangerous.
You should beware of driving fast on wet roads.
Brag. To brag means to talk of one's abilities or achievements in a proud way.
He had strong muscles and bragged about it to the entire class.
Conscious. If someone is conscious of something, then they are aware of it.
The new student was conscious of the other students staring at her.
Disagree. To disagree with someone means to have a different opinion from them.
The lawyers disagreed about the best way to settle the case.
Echo. To echo means that a sound repeats itself because it bounced off an object.
The child yelled over the canyon, and the wall echoed the sound.
Eventual. If something is eventual, it will happen at the end of a series of events.
The constant training and planning led the team to an eventual victory.
Hint. A hint is information that suggests something will happen or is true.
I quietly passed on a hint to my sister about the test.
Idiot. An idiot is a person who is not smart or who has done something silly.
Because he got lost in the forest, the man felt like an idiot.
Immense. If something is immense, it is very large.
An immense amount of money was needed to buy such a large boat.
Indirect. If something is indirect, then it is not the easiest or straightest way.
He chose to take the most indirect route to the coast.
Option. An option is a choice between two or more things.
The children were given the option of 3 houses to pick from.
Pastime. A pastime is an activity done for fun that you do often.
In the U.S., baseball is considered the national pastime.
Perfect. If something is perfect, then it is without any mistakes.
She got all the questions right, so her score was perfect.
Pinpoint. To pinpoint something means to locate it exactly.
The navigation system in my car is able to pinpoint my exact location.
Switch. To switch means to change something to something else.
Mom switched the TV station from the news to her favorite show.
Thorough. If something or someone is thorough, then they are complete in every way.
Tina did a thorough job of cleaning the stains out of the carpet.
Torment. To torment someone means to cause them to suffer on purpose.
She tormented her little brother by taking his favorite toy.